Without any explanations, HubSpot, SaaS company, software company, 5,500 employees, over 128,000 customers from 120 countries, and it is awesome because worldwide companies, it is definitely a plus. Close to 1,000 integrations, and if we will check them on Finviz with ticker HUBS, you can see a market cap over $20 billion, and they are not profitable, but it is just a GAAP rules, and from my point of view they are already profitable because they have a free cash flow. They reached $1 billion in sales, and I think we can dig a little bit deeper. Plus they have really high gross margin, 80%, and on the long run I think we will see a profit margin over 10%. Definitely now we're coming into a really complicated world, and you have to engage, delight and attract new customers, and you need some software to do it. They started as a marketing platform, now they have sales, services, CMS, operations, and some partners. And now you can call it a platform or ecosystem to do your business. I have some experience with platforms like this one, and I'm sure if you have more than 3 employees, you need one of them. And this looks really nice. Here you can see product pricing, and for starters it is quite cheap, $50, but if you have a successful company and you're using this soft, probably you wouldn't run away from them, because it is quite small money for companies. Here you can see the journey. HubSpot founded in 2006, and it was far ago. $50 million in revenue in 2012. Then $500 million in 2018, and now they reached $1 billion, as I said, with 100,000 customers. So it is definitely awesome. 41% CAGR, but in my model I will use 30%, because I don't think that they able to grow with 40% anymore, because it's quite hard. What I really like, it is a long-term target numbers, and you can see operating margin over 20%, and it is awesome. And here you can see actually how they will do it. They will just cut sales and marketing percent. I really like their models because they can market it as a hub and then upsell all other hubs. It is definitely awesome. And here you can see that actually it is working, and people are starting to buy new hubs. Marketing hub with free email and forms, sales hub with free sales and CRM, service hub for free help desk tools, CMS hub, and operations hub. I really like this model because if you will try to adopt something like this on a whole company with the first run, it will be really hard. But if you will adopt maybe a sales hub for your call members team, and then it will just spread on all of your company, because it is quite useful. And actually I really liked this video, what is HubSpot from their channel. If we will check Guru Focus, they are expecting close to $600 in the end of 2024, and I think it is absolutely okay. You can see this beautiful quarterly revenue growth. I really like this company, and you can see that in 2017 they already had $22 million in free cash flow. Here you can see the chart, and I use my own indicator. You can find it on my Patreon account. But if I will use the lowest numbers, like price to sales 10, I can expect $320 and $425 in 2 years. And it is quite interesting because if we will use something like price to sales 15, and it is absolutely okay for SaaS companies, we can see that we already have some upside, not a huge one, but 12 and 46%. I suggest you to add this company to your watch list, and if with some magic they will reach $300, you have to think about buying it. Because from my point of view, it is an awesome company, and on a long run they will definitely win.